Hello there. In order to continue using the York Schools Wi-Fi, you will need to install two certificates. You should have received an email that looks similar to this one with a link to each of the certificates. Click on the link, go into your Google Drive, and you can type in a name, York Wi-Fi, click OK, and it will install. It says down in the bottom that it was installed. Go to the second one, add in the second name, and it'll say York Wi-Fi is installed down at the bottom. Now that that's been done, you can continue to use the Wi-Fi at the York School without any issues. Thank you.